This is the day to play golf tournament. It's been pretty fun for me and my family, so I figure I'd share it with you guys. Very easy to set up. It's got these plastic tabs. I chose to put mine on my garage door. It's actually been the perfect place for it. Easy to set up. Comes with this two-sided cloth target, which has been awesome. It comes with these Velcroed golf balls that are made out of plastic, and I love it because you can literally wail on this thing, no problem. And it's not gonna ding or dent the garage door or whatever, wherever you choose to hang this up. It's really fun and an easy game to play. Literally comes with this included mat. You just focus here, tap, tap, tappy. I hit the 0 there, and you just sit here all day long. And the nice thing is you can actually have 4 different players, given the fact that you have 4 different colors. And for you competitive people out there like my kids, it comes with a scoreboard. So you guys can have as much fun or get as upset as you want with each other. But ultimately, this has been a great game. So on this side, you've got all your water, which is -10. You've got a bunker at the top and the bottom on this side and this side. And then your rough is -5. And then right in the middle, you've got your 25, 50, 75, and 100. The only thing that's really not included in this whole setup is the golf clubs. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you. You can use a traditional golf club like I have, or you get some of the plastic clubs out there. It's not going to matter. I've used both with these plastic golf balls. Works fantastic. Now, as far as takedown and storage goes, super simple. It comes with this nice tote that's got a Velcro in it, so the balls aren't just gonna fall off and go flying everywhere. Afterwards, I'm just gonna put the green mat in here, and luckily, the balls just kind of fit in here perfectly. You're good to go. But if you're on the fence with buying this, super fun. Me and my family have had a good time with it, and I recommend it. It's been great.